If you like lemon-scented herbs, then lemon verbena is one that you must try. Grow it as a perennial. In cooler climates, you can grow it as an annual, or you can grow it as a perennial and try to overwinter it indoors. This is a herb that likes a sunny position, a well-drained humus-rich soil. It will respond well to an organic type fertiliser or perhaps some liquid seaweed or fish fertiliser every 3 or 4 weeks. The leaves can be used to make a tea. Just take 3 leaves, perhaps add 3 mint leaves as well. Steep them in boiling water and you've got a lovely refreshing drink that you can drink either warm or cool. The leaves are also great in cooking, and you can use them with fish, and you can use them with poultry as well. You could also use them in salads as a little bit of a garnish to get a lemony flavour spreading through your salad. This particular plant is growing in a container, and as you can see, we've sunk the container down into the soil, and this helps retain moisture during summer. The advantage of this is that you can lift the whole plant out when the weather starts to cool down if you wish to overwinter it in a warmer position. If you are going to overwinter it, we suggest that you prune it back fairly hard to just above a leaf node, and this is what the leaf nodes look like. If you're growing it as a perennial, you'll also want to prune it back at the beginning of spring. And again, if you prune it back fairly hard, you're going to find that you get a more bushy plant, which means you're going to get more leaves. Lemon verbena's easy to grow, it just doesn't like the cold. When you walk past it, rub your hand through it and you'll get that lovely lemony fragrance. Lemon verbena can be propagated from cuttings. It can also be propagated from seeds. However, cuttings is easier, and we'll show you that in a separate video. So that's it for lemon verbena, one of the all-time favourite herbs for lemon fragrance. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for regular updates on all sorts of herbs. And as always, good luck with your gardening.